As part of Jemena's future network strategy for the integration of customer energy resources, we are continuing to introduce new technology on the electricity distribution network that will help improve customers' quality of supply. Volt-Var Control, also known as VVC, is part of Jemena's Advanced Distribution Management System, ADMS. As more customers add solar and battery storage to their homes, the electricity distribution network is becoming more complex to manage. As the sun shines down on homes with solar panels, electricity is generated and excess electricity feeds back into the electricity network. In areas where there are a high concentration of solar installations, this can cause the voltage on the network to increase. When the voltage gets higher, customer appliances can be affected, and fewer solar panels can export to the network. Utilizing the smart meter network, the customer's electricity meter communicates voltages back to the Jemena Control Center. VVC monitors the voltages in real time, and when the voltage gets too high or too low, will automatically and remotely send an adjustment to the substation. As VVC is constantly monitoring and adjusting the network voltage, more solar will be able to connect to the network without impacting customers. By effectively managing the network voltage and allowing more solar to connect, we are also helping to reduce carbon emissions for all customers. It's just another way that Jemena provides our customers with exceptional customer service when they need it the most.